You sure you got the right side?
Maybe.
Let's push stop. Take it out. How do you know which side is the side ready to go? What do you think?
This one says side 1.
That's a good way to tell. Okay, hold on. Okay, let it go a little bit longer. It doesn't start immediately like your songs on your...
Oh.
It's got that whole part of that tape that has to go. The lead tape. Do you have your volume up?
Yeah.
Is it going? Is your machine going?
No.
Ah, okay. That could be the problem. The tape player doesn't work anymore. Oh, bummer. Yeah, fast forward doesn't work. There's no rewind. I can't see. Yeah, see, those things are supposed to spin.
Yeah.
Oh, bummer.